Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC geography question. So, in this session, we are added a new part, that is the prediction for 2025. What are the possible questions they may ask for 2025? Okay, so please make a note of it. That will be more useful for your upcoming prelims exam. Let's begin the session. So, this question was asked in 2022. It is one of the purely a factual question, but why they asked this factual question? So it is actually the wetlands and the locations. Why suddenly there is a question about the wetlands? Because all the sites are recognized as a Ramsar sites. Okay, so all these wetlands are recognized as a Ramsar site in 2021 and 2022. Based on that only they asked this question. So we are going to discuss about these sites. First is Hokira wetland. It is actually located in the Jammu and Kashmir. This Hokira wetland is about 10 km from the Srinagar. It is a natural perennial water wetland contiguous to the Zeelam basin. Okay, so perennial means all the in year around all the 365 days it will contain the water. So that is called as perennial. Next, Renuka wetland is the largest natural lake in the Himachal Pradesh. So it is the natural wetland with the fresh water spring and inland subterranean karst formation fed by the small streams flowing from the lower Himalayan out of the Giri river. Next is Rudrasagar Lake, also known as the Rudijala Lake, located in the Tripura. The lake is designated as the Ramsar site, a lowland sedimentation reservoir in the northeast hills fed by the three perennial streams discharging to the river Gomadi. Next, Sastam Koda is actually in Kerala. So it is in the Kollam district of Kerala. It is the largest freshwater lake in Kerala and has always been center of tourism attraction. Okay. So based on these data, we are going to discuss that question. So Hokira wetland, it is not in Punjab, it is actually in Jammu and Kashmir. So that statement is wrong. Next, Renuka wetland is Himachal Pradesh, that is right. Rudrasagar in Tripura, that is right. And Sastam Koda is in Kerala, it is not in Tamil Nadu. So that is wrong. So only two pairs are rightly matched. So the answer is only two pairs B. So in the same pattern, what they may ask for 2025. So what are the wetlands that was recognized as a Ramsar site in 2024 and 2025? These are the wetlands and their states. First is Nanjarayan Bat Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next is Kaluveli Bat Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Next is Tawa Reservoir in Madhya Pradesh. And then Ankasamutra Bat Conservation in Karnataka. Agnasini Estuaries in Karnataka. Mahadi Kiri Conservation in Karnataka. Karaiveti Bat Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Longwood Shola Forest in Tamil Nadu. Nagi Bat Sanctuary in Bihar. Nakti Sanctuary in Bihar. So these are the sanctuaries that was recognized as a Ramsar site. Okay, so please make a note of it. What are the wetlands and their states? They may ask it. And also you have to know about what is this Ramsar site. So where is the Ramsar situated? So Ramsar is a place in Iran. So to conserve the wetland, they started this Ramsar conservation. So to conserve the wetlands, they gave this idea. Okay, so the conservation, first of all, why the wetlands is most important is because it is acting as a carbon sink. It is storing the lot of carbons, so that we need to conserve this wetland. And also there is many exploitation of this wetland is happening, so there is important to conserve this wetlands. For that only they created the Ramsar sites in 1981. So based on that, we are giving recognitions to the major sites. In India, Tamil Nadu is having the highest Ramsar site. So they may ask a question based on that also. Tamil Nadu contains 16 Ramsar sites. So in India, Tamil Nadu is the state which is having a highest Ramsar site. Second is Uttar Pradesh. Third is Punjab. So they may ask a question like that also. So please make a note of it. And then first Ramsar site in India is Chilika. Chilika Lake in Odisha and Cleodeogana National Park in Rajasthan. Largest Ramsar site in India is Sundarban Wetland in West Bengal. And then the smallest Ramsar site is Renuka Wetland in Himachal Pradesh. And the highest altitude Ramsar site is Tusokar Wetland in Ladakh. So these are certain factual data related to the Ramsar sites. So they may ask a question. So either they may ask a question based on the current affair, or else they may ask these factual questions also. So please make a note of it. There is a possibility of asking a question from the Ramsar sites because we recognized around 89 Ramsar sites. Okay, and also we made a certain decisions like for 75 years of independence, 75 Ramsar sites we need to identify. That we did. Okay, now it is actually 89 Ramsar sites. In that, Tamil Nadu is having a highest Ramsar site. So there is a possibility of question they may ask from the Ramsar sites. So please make a note of it. That would be more useful. Thank you.